how to turn off live videos notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off live videos notifications on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram and now just click here on your profile and then just click the storylines, and here you will see settings. Click on it, notifications, and then live and HGTV. And if you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just select second one here and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.